Fits Igloo Cool Chill, Koolmate and Iceless TEs. Extra fuse included. Heavy-duty 8-inch cord and power indicator light. Self-adjusting power connector. ETL safety listed. Care Instructios. Disconnect converter from power source prior to cleaning. Do not allow water to contact converter. Remove dust from converter and vents with a clean, dry cloth. Light dirt or stains can be wiped off with a damp, clean cloth. Ensure converter is completely dry before returning to use or connecting to power. Top reviews from the United States. Exact replacement for our Igloo cooler. When the cord on our million-mile cooler broke, we found this. It's an exact replacement. Thanks. Buying the original. I would always buy the universal one for my Igloo, but it kept buening up. Bought the original one and hasn't given me a problem. Good value, works as it should. The cord works properly, so I now have my traveling fridge, cooler again. I think the price of the replacement cord was reasonable, as replacing the cooler would have been more expensive. The cooler, fridge is great when traveling, as you don't have to think about ice for keeping foods cold. Happy with purchase.